Kubor nag-Khlem jong unongsan Hima.
Jingïalang hapadang ki Menteri Rangba ka Assam ban Meghalaya, kalalong ha Guwahati hakas ngibalang, hak bakila batha ki sorkar jong kini ki jela, bakin ay ki kaipot ki babania hak bayadai bak Jingïatajia pun, haki henriu ni ki khat Tylli ki Jaka. Habakran cekilat pathai kubor usembut Menteri Rangba ka Meghalaya, ubak Preston Tensong. Ula ong bahadin balayo yikite ki kaipot ki babania, kan sadon Biang sakaway ka Jingïalang hapdeng ki Menteri Rangba ki Tylli ki jela. Hadin kata ki Menteri Rangba kan salet banya kendu, ya Menteri katanat korbari u Amit Shah. Shushu ula ong bahaswa ka arpaway tari u kalalengkon, on sa Pynbna ba, Ïakajia baki Tylli ki jela ki Leshim, hak bayadai bat ki henriu na ki khat Tylli ki Jaka, badan hapdeng ki Jingïatajia pun.
One more meeting we had, a very detailed, inclusive meeting between both the Honorable Chief Ministers, Chief Minister of Assam and Chief Minister of Meghalaya. And I would like to inform you that more or less we almost completed to reach to the agreement in those areas which ever we already inspected. And now again, both the Chief Ministers has directed the concerned government to bring out all the detailed report, and thereafter one more meeting will be there between the two Chief Ministers, and thereafter they will be meeting even the Honorable Union Home Minister, and hopefully maybe on the 20th or before 21st, maybe they'll come back and then final agreement will be made public to both the state of Assam and Meghalaya. So this is the meeting that we had.